Hello guys, welcome to MotorBeam. Honda has just launched genuine motorcycle accessories, so you can customize your Highness or RS the way you want it. The motorcycle right next to me is a tourer variant, so let's see all the accessories in detail. Let's go. But before we begin, subscribe to MotorBeam and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Yeah. So this is basically a tourer kit, as I was saying. Here you can see you've got a long visor up front, knuckle guards. There is chrome bit right over there, so chrome leg guard as well, fork gaiters, bigger footrest and a saddle stay, and this is a luggage. Now you get split seat setup as well with extra foam. So this kit costs up to 17,000 rupees, which is extra over the bike. Let's look at the other ones. And then this is the Cafe Racer custom for the Highness. Basically, even that was the Highness, even this is the Highness. Cafe Racer feel ke liye. You've got a single piece seat, a proper cowl over here, then no knuckle guards, but then uh, aluminum finishes over here, small visor. Wait, it's not a small visor, it's a complete cowl right here, fork gaiters again, and a proper bash plate right below, which does not cover the silencer, surprisingly. This is the Cafe Racer custom, and this is somewhere close to 22,000 rupees. But then if you want to ride solo, you have the solo carrier option. This is for 16,000 rupees, and over here you can get a small visor, similar chrome bit which is there, but then again the seat is now changed, single piece seat setup. The cowl has been taken away from the Cafe Racer, and this is a luggage mount area, so you are saving some money there. So 16,000 rupees for this. And notice something, even the edges are black according to the bike, so that is something that's added. Now notice one more thing, that in all the bikes, almost all the bikes, this chrome bit has been added to the side cover. So Highness ka update is there, which is with the OBD port. Let's see more options. This is the comfort custom variant of the Highness. Now look at this, full comfort chahiye, you want no tension at all. You can see that's fork gaiters, visor right there, knuckle guards, everything is the same. So chrome leg guard, and then there's chrome engine guard, something like that as well. Split seat setup, which is brilliant, and then you get the backrest as well with saddle stays. So this custom kit, the complete kit, is for 16,000 rupees. Individual prices for individual parts is not shared with us yet, but then you can get a complete look with the motorcycle. What do you think? Let me know. If you want to customize your RS, if you own the RS, you can change a lot more things and make it look like a proper Cafe Racer. Now this kit is also for 17,000 rupees. Here you get a cowl, and then this cover comes into place, but the seat is the same stock seat. Nothing has been changed over there. Rim steps have been added, so yeah, not many changes, but it does look more of a Cafe Racer. But then again, with the kit you get this brushed aluminum handlebar as well. Visor is small, everything is quite decent for the RS. And then by the end, if you want something that is the most affordable for the RS, this is the SUV kit. I don't know what the logic is there, but then you get an SUV kit where you get the chrome leg guard. Here is a small visor over the headlight and knuckle guards. That's about it. Addition of saddle stays which is there, and rim stripes. This kit is for 7,000 rupees, and let me correct myself. The Cafe Racer kit is for 17,000, not 22,000 for this one, the RS. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Which accessory would you pick if you have the Highness, or would you suggest should be a standard accessory across all the bikes being sold? So these were all the bikes over here at the custom thing that's happening for Honda. What do you think should be a standard accessory? What should be the prices? Are the prices all right? Because you pay a little extra over the motorcycle that you're gonna buy. So let me know in the comment section below which kit did you like the most. Bye bye.